Subject Geography, Standard 8, Lesson number 1, Local Time and Standard Time. Students, in this lesson, we already learned about day and night and also considering the local time. Let us see how to calculate local time in a particular area. Try this. The local time of a place can be calculated with reference to the time at the prime meridian. Examine the examples given below. Example number 1. Mashhad, a town in Iran, is located on 60° east longitude. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, calculate the local time of Mashhad town. Statement: as we move towards the east of the prime meridian, the local time increases by 4 minutes for every longitude. Okay. You know that Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. One rotation 360°. The Earth rotates by 360° per 24 hours is equal to 15° each 1 hour around its own axis. Okay. The Earth takes 60 minutes per 15 degrees is equal to 4 minutes to cover 1 degree. That means 4 minutes to cover 1 degree. This means that for each degree of longitude, the local time differs by 4 minutes. See here, suppose this is Earth and it rotates. It rotates whenever it completes one rotation. Then it takes 24 hours. How many? 24 hours. For completing one rotation, 24 hours. And see, for completing this 90 degrees, see, make part of this 24 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours. See, make that part of 90 degrees, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this one 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each 1 hour. Okay. And how many degree? Each part is 15 degree. Each part is 15 degree. So Earth moves 15 degree for 15 degree in 1 hour. Earth rotates 15 degree in 1 hour. That means 15 degree for 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So calculate each 1 degree, that takes 4 minutes to rotate. Or takes 4 minutes to rotate 1 degree. See, here we are going to solve that example. As you learn, Earth moves 1 degree and it takes 4 minutes to rotate 1 degree. See, the difference between the longitudes of Greenwich and Mashhad is 60 degree. So, difference in local time 60 multiply 4. That is 240 minutes. We have to calculate 240 minutes into hours. 240 divided by 60 minutes are 4 hours. How many hours? 4 hours. This implies that the time at Mashhad would be 4 p.m. in the afternoon. See how we calculate that. This is prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. Okay. This part east direction, this part west direction. Okay. Here is 15 degree, then 30 degree, then 45, then 60 degree. This part is completely east direction. See, here is Greenwich meridian, and in the question, what they are saying? Mashhad, a town in Iran, is located 60 degree. Here 60 degree east longitude. This is 60 degree east longitude, and here is Iran. When it is 12 noon at Greenwich, here Greenwich meridian, prime meridian, Greenwich. From here we have to calculate each 15 degree. Earth takes 15 degree. Earth rotates 15 degree. It takes 1 hour. So 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour and 4 hours. That means what will be the time in Iran? Time 4 p.m. at Mashhad in Iran.